I think that's hitting, is it?
It's hitting.
That was hitting the
Yeah.
There's another one out there?
Oh, hit. Hit. Okay, they should have.
I'm going farther target.
Practice a little bit with that.
Yes, sir, man. Yeah. 4-day, man. Yes, sir. It's gonna be lit. Got some people shooting. Check my boy out. Hit. Hit. Yeah. Tell him what's going on, man. Talk to him.
Hey, man, we just out here for a 4-day, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get our people together to have some fun, get out here on the range and shoot, man. That's
Yes, sir.
Little food, little shooting, you know what I'm saying? Don't hurt nobody.
Where they can find you at?
You can check me out on Instagram at ATL Gun Club. Hey, man, we're 30 minutes west of downtown Atlanta, not too far from the city. Come get at us.
Yeah, y'all definitely booked, man. I'm gonna leave everything in the description. But yeah, we having a good old time. We just getting started. We're gonna be out here for a couple hours. We done been out here for a couple hours already setting up. You know what I'm saying? We got some hot dogs. We done made some hot dogs. Nephew done made some chicken. The chicken looking good. Hold on now.
Dang, too.
You feel me?
Hey.
Look good.
It's coming up in a minute, too. Yes, sir.
So yeah, good little range day. Planking around, man. I definitely had a goof. I definitely done had a goof, and I done grabbed the suppressor. Done seared my fingers, 2 of my fingers, but it's all right. I don't be with no women. I don't be doing none of that. So, you know, I'll be all right. They'll heal up, and then maybe I'll find a little Joan or something. But the targets is far. We shooting at like 170 yards. The first target I was hitting was like 123. Then I pushed it out to 170 yards, smacking the target, 170 yards with a 25-yard zero. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too serious or nothing like that, man. He's smacking. He hitting the thing. Hit. 3-9. Do that again.
3-9.
Hit. Hit. Go to the farthest target.
Is that farthest?
Yeah, and aim at the bottom line of that target. Like right at the bottom of the target. Do that again. I don't know if that was you or not. You out? Put it on safe. Put the safety on. Yes, sir. That boy's nephew. I want to see if I can hit it. Just like not bracing on anything. My leg moving.
That is a Night Force.
What's up, man? How you been doing?
It was. So that gun.
Oh. I got one more. My arm, that shit. I gotta aim. It's moving so much. It's heavy, bro. I did it one time though. All right.
Did it more than one.
People are really nice. Most, like, never go skiing and be like, hey man, what's my dog? You go to a gun range, some kind of cool guys and get them to shoot your gun. Like, yes. They might say bring your own ammo. But they're different.
Ammo.
Hey.
Okay.
Course of fire. What's the course of fire? We over here just doing a little stage. This part of ATL Gun Club, this 404 day. We had a different bay down below.
Starting anywhere outside of the shooting box.
Okay.
Then you step in the shooting box. And pretty much just take all the targets out. It looks like there's only 4 targets. You got one over here. You got 2 over there. And then there's a window on this side of the barrier that you can look through. And there's one more target. Right through here.
All right. Does it matter what order you go, or you got to start on this side?
Doesn't matter what order.
Doesn't matter.
You can come in this way. You can come in that way. Just you got to start outside the shooting box and step in.
You can't shoot outside the shooting box.
Yeah.
All right, y'all hear that?
Yeah. That's 2 on paper.
Inside the shooting.
2 on each.
2 on paper.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Pick them all up.
Yeah. Wait. No.
Is it still picking up shots?
I think it said the last shot was 7. Maybe that might have been the last shot. I don't know. Your gun was kind of quiet though. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay. Maybe let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I only got 4 shots. Yeah. So I might just have to have it on me or follow whatever you want to do. I can just have it on me if you want.
Yeah, that's cool.
The end goal right there.
Yeah, if you gonna go again?
What's that recoil because of that?
What you thinking?
Because we not holding it.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Guess I'm just have to fight through the pain with my 2 suppressor charred fingers. But never know, man. We good. Got this.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Oh.
1779.
A and a C. C and a D. A and a C. A and a no shoot. And A and a C. All right. I think last time my problem was what I had to learn early is that I'm slower and I gotta shoot. I gotta aim up.
Oh.
That's what it was.
Gotta put the targets down lower.
Something I just gotta get used to.
Stand by.
slower.
You feeling confident?
Coming around that corner, you were a little sloppy, but as soon as you got your foot planted, you were good. That's exactly what it is. Is that a 40 or not?
All right, son, we're gonna see. My cameraman finna go. Usually y'all don't see my cameraman. He always behind the camera, but I had him shoot the far target, you know what I'm saying? Good teacher. Told him a little something and he smacked the target, told him what aim he hit. Now we're gonna see how he run a pistol. So yeah, y'all ain't never seen my cameraman.
This one.
These two Ds.
Around the corner, you're leaning a little bit left, probably.
All right, too much. Okay.
Not too much, just you were like letting your shot lean left.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Good trigger placement.
And you'd be stronger.
Yeah, when you're holding the gun, like from what I saw, it looked like it was like bumping and your left hand was staying still. Like your left hand wasn't moving with the gun. Okay. That's what it looked like. So just like when you put your hand like on your knuckles, like kind of wrench it back and really squeeze. Yeah, with that left hand.
There you go. Step up, son.
Go whoops. Go whoops. Go whoops.
Yeah, you decent.
Looks good.
Yeah, you decent.
First
We're gonna see if you can hit some shit though. when that beep go off, it's a whole nother thing.
You ready? Stand by.
Hey, son. Push the gun out. What's up with this? Push the gun out, son. So, push the gun out. That's why the gun twerking. Push it out. Good, my boy. That was way better.
Yeah, that was good.
The first time you had that malfunction because you was like this, you was kind of limp wristing it. So you didn't have enough force against the gun. So when it recoiled, it didn't get to cycle and spit out the casing.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Oh!
Good. 1841. Boom, boom, windows down. I'm gonna go around and hit those two.
Go ahead and get you some. Y'all wanna go?
How you doing? How you doing, bro?
Go ahead. Not bad. Oh yeah, talk to him.
You going? Yeah, I'll go. I haven't won yet.
Honestly, I was in the
No, my boy. Man, caught me off guard.
That looks clean. That dude. Hey.
11:30.
That boy didn't know.
Damn, Rusty.
I mean, we didn't know.
Alpha Charlie over here.
You ain't rusty, nigga. Gotta shake that little shit off.
Saw these.
Alpha Charlie.
I brought some steel targets and should figure out how to hang them.
The tire. I thought we was gonna use the tire.
That go on the stands. We just need like weight, like put barrels or something on them.
I'm pretty sure they know how to. How y'all hang steel targets out here? You ready?
I mean, he hung them steel targets down there all the way to the end with tires. He just used the tire because for the weight.
Yeah.
What's she shooting?
M&P.
Is that the comp?
It looked like the comp. Is that the comp, Ed?
Not for the last 5.
Last, first, so it's 8 in here.
Yeah.
All right, last 5.
It's a mix between double and single. It's a double action only, but it's a mix between double and single.
That's that P30, right? That's it.
That's the LEM trigger. Double action only, but the pull of a single action.
You said take my ears off.
Subsonic. I hope it'll cycle. I've had issues with, so I'll try some ammo from Gorilla. Oh, you talking there? Yeah.
Wait, this thing quiet, what?
Yeah.
Can you try one of these to it?
Yeah, go ahead, man.
Here, let's see that mag. See what that sounds like.
Shoot it with my ears
I
off.
like that.
Yeah, that should be subsonic still.
Hold on. It didn't go too.
It doesn't like flat tips.
Oh yeah, PCCs don't really like. My bad.
They don't like that at all.
Well, all right.
Yeah, I had. Well,
Nothing's in there.
I know.
Okay.
It's nice though.
appreciate it. Yeah, I bought
MRO.
about 150 rounds of what's that for Yoshi?
Okay.
You ready? Stand by.
Grazed him on the last one.
2085. Yeah, I guess he can't really reload on the move, so it doesn't really matter for him. What side?
He better put that bitch in goddamn autopilot.
Get an electric one.
Boy, go
Bro, it's crazy
autopilot.
because I got a company that's supposed to be sending me an electric chair to damn promote for them.
That would be sick. That's 2 alphas.
2 alpha on the partial.
Alpha.
Alpha Charlie, Alpha Charlie. God damn.
Damn. All right, look, don't even wait. Did you paste that one?
Yeah, it's Alpha. Yeah.
Got me thinking I missed them.
I go light skin pasties.
Oh fuck! I only put 4. Damn. I only put 2. I didn't put 4.
Mike.
855.
I'm just playing.
Good job. Reload. Make sure your gun is not breaking at 180.
Nice.
Good job.
Nice.
We're fucking shooting.
Damn.
How the fuck?
You could have saved a little time if you would have did the reload on the move.
Yeah,
You stood there and reloaded.
you're right.
I hung up a little bit.
Looking at me, will I ever be free? Have I crossed the
There's no cheating in gunfights. You either fucking win or you don't.
Damn right.
Hey, Coach Eddie out here today.
Nah, hey. You should be damn near on point. All right, it's not gonna be as high.
All right.
Hit. All right. Hit. Wrong one.
Getting it the fuck done.
Oh my. There we go.
Find your sight. High right. Left. High left. Nice, easy trigger press. High left again, same spot. You got a staple over here?
You still got the staple?
Yeah, I think it's
probably got
Aim low right on the target. Aim to the low right edge.
I think it's in my bag.
Oh, just over it. Low right edge again. Same hold. Don't call it. Just missing, just left. Hold on the low left edge.
Yeah, that was right under it, like 6 o'clock.
Low left edge, hold it there.
Oh my Lord, my neck.
You get props for even trying that shit.
I'm shooting with a 25-yard zero.
Oh, okay.
Nah,
So-
that was dope. Even the way you got down, nah, that shit was fire.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know how to. I'm like, so with my 25-yard zero at that target 170, I'm literally aiming like if this is the bottom target, I'm aiming like right here.
Yeah, because at 25, it's like a 25 300.
Yeah.
Yeah, 25 300.
So when I got down there, it was like, okay, my rifle was canted, to the side. So now I'm aiming like, if this is the target, I was trying to aim.
And what I meant to tell, I'm telling you low right when I should have been telling you low left. So once you cant this rifle at distance,
Okay.
your spin drift and your,
So I should have been on this side.
well, on the target.
Yeah.
So if you're lower and you also have a slight elevation change. too.
Yeah.
So your round is going this way. So sometimes you cant that rifle, you aim low left on the target, you'll hit high right.
Okay.
You'll hit the target.
So if this is the target, how I was, I'm supposed to be.
You should have been aiming low left on it for it to get that center hit. Once you're canted.
Okay, I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna reload.
Yeah, as long as we're on the same line.
Somebody else gonna go? I guess not.
Pretty boy McCoy. $1 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Right on top of it. On top of it. Hit. Hit.
We forget my hose.
Yeah, you giving him a haircut.
Switching between 3 rifles. I'm
You straight giving him a haircut every time. Better know your dope. That's what it's about. No matter what you see, know your dope.
All right, let's try this again.
You ready?
This one for the money, my nigga.
Ready.
You're almost there, bro.
Yeah, I just need to zero it on paper.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. it up. Yeah, let's go to the 11.
You went all the way around to the high left now. High left. Hit! Deal. Yep.
12 o'clock. 11.
Left shoulder. Low. Go right. Top. Same spot every time.
Can you see that shit right?
Same spot.
Down.
Fuck.
You see it. You see it.
It's just your point of aim.
Hey, man.
He trying to test your mount. He trying to test your mount. That's what it
What's
is.
up with bro? Stepping on my stepping on my shit, man. Had to beat him up. Hey man, look.
That's right.
We ain't even got into the rifle shooting, man, yet. You know what I'm saying? So it's all new to me right now. We just having fun.
You got a squib.
You caught me on the one day I don't have my damn cleaning kit.
You got a squib.
All the way to the boom.
Everybody with AKs always have cleaning rods. AR boys.
Hey,
You got that.
one time for the
You
AK.
got that.
Man.
You got that finger stop on it, so go like this.
But yeah. Right now we just having fun with the ARs, man. Eventually your boy gonna get into the rifles and shit like that. So yeah, we just having fun.
Ain't it fun?
That shit sounds so ashy.
It is. I ain't put no oil in it bitch since I got it. Okay.
Just run your charger handle back. Yeah, run the charger.
Time around ARs getting malfunctioned.
Go. That's it.
It's all right, bro. I'm gonna get a case on down.
Stand by. Hit.
What the fuck is that? Let.
Left. Way left.
Still left, just a little closer.
You just missed.
Still left, just keep coming to the right. Keep coming to the right.
Hit. Nice.
Knocked it over.
Hell yeah.
Knocked it down.
OG. Okay, OG, true OG.
Hell yeah.
I got it. Oh, my bad.
Now you gotta go down and put it back up.
I go down there, we cue the elevator music.